And the Prophet ﷺ spoke to the Sahabas and told them that certain things will happen in the Ummah later on. And they were like, how could it happen? We have all these masajid and people learning Quran and people studying Islam, as you see happening today. How could it be? How could we be like those other religions and other ummah and nations and people before who have been ruined and destroyed? When we read Quran and we have masajid and we have institutes and we do everything. Well, in those days they didn't have these kind of institutes, but we are learning masajid, we're reading Quran. And again, here his answer was, because of the fact that we do not live the Quran, that will be one of the signs of the destruction of this ummah. We will self-destroy ourselves.